Hello, future employers. I am Leridel Makahilig, 44 years old, single with one child, and I am from Philippines. I have a 6 years experience of being a domestic helper in Singapore. My duties are childcare, all household chores, cooking, ironing, laundry, and car washing. I serve 3 kids, ages 7 months old to 12 years old. So I learned how to do the potty training. I put them to nap all by himself in the cot and feed them nutritious foods. Not just by feeding them that I can show my caring. Every afternoon we go to the playground, do cycling, jogging, running, and we always go for fishing during weekends because it's one of their hobby. I am hardworking, and by the way, I am a college graduate of computer secretarial. Mostly of my employers told me my communication is very effective. That's why they asked me to tutor their kids with regards to English, maths, and science. So I can assure you, I can help you with the studies of the kids and a motherly care. I love cooking and I learn how to bake also. So I can assure you, your family will have not the restaurant type, but a good food served in the table. I am hardworking, responsible. I know where to stand as I know my limits as a helper, and I am not addicted to phone or social media. As you can check my Facebook, I only post once in a while. Okay, that's all for today, and hope to see you soon, and I would be glad to serve your family. Thank you and see you. Regards.